Introducing Milwaukee Block and Billet Torpedo Levels. The Milwaukee Block Torpedo Level has the strongest magnets in the industry and delivers 360-degree accuracy. Sharp side file technology provides the best readability of any other vial. We understand you need product that is built to survive the job. Our high-impact acrylic is 10 times more durable than any other vial you'll find on a competitive level. Rare earth magnets provide stronger holding power, leaving you confident that this level won't move when you attach it to a metallic surface. A rotating 360-degree vial locks in at any angle, allowing you to set any needed pitch quickly and accurately. The Milwaukee Billet Torpedo Level also features the strongest magnets and has the easiest pitch set. A 2-inch pitch vial provides a maximized viewing area, allowing you to easily read slope from either direction. We are confident in our torpedo levels, and we back them with a limited lifetime guarantee. Milwaukee Block and Billet Torpedo Levels.